Most people use garlic every day without realizing that the way they prepare it can completely change its health power. You may be eating garlic regularly, yet missing most of its real benefits simply because of how you handle it. Garlic is widely known for its strong flavor, but its true value goes far beyond taste. When used correctly, this simple kitchen ingredient can support immunity, circulation, digestion, and even overall heart health in ways many people don't expect. Today, we're exploring what may happen if you drink garlic water every day for 30 days. More importantly, you'll learn how to prepare garlic the right way so your body can actually benefit from its most powerful natural compounds. One of the most well-known benefits of garlic is its ability to support the immune system. Garlic contains natural compounds that help the body fight harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi that can weaken your defenses. Because of its strong antimicrobial properties, garlic has been shown to help fight certain harmful bacteria, including some that are difficult to treat. This makes it especially useful during times when infections are more common. Garlic may also help the body defend against fungal overgrowth, such as yeast imbalances. When harmful microorganisms grow too much in the body, they can disrupt digestion and overall health, and garlic may help restore balance. Another powerful benefit is garlic's potential to support respiratory health. Many people turn to garlic at the first sign of cold symptoms, as it may help the body respond more effectively to seasonal illnesses. Beyond immune support, garlic also plays a role in supporting healthy blood pressure. Some studies suggest that regular garlic consumption may help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow throughout the body. This improved circulation happens partly because garlic helps the body produce nitric oxide, a substance that helps blood vessels stay flexible. Flexible arteries allow blood to move more smoothly, which supports heart health. Garlic may also help reduce the tendency of blood to form unwanted clots. Healthy clotting is important, but excessive clot formation can increase health risks, and garlic appears to help maintain a better balance. Another important benefit of garlic is its effect on blood sugar and metabolic health. Regular consumption may help the body respond better to insulin, which is the hormone responsible for controlling blood sugar levels. When insulin works efficiently, the body can maintain stable energy levels and reduce the risk of excess fat storage. This is why garlic is often linked to improvements in waist size, cholesterol balance, and overall metabolic health. Garlic has also been studied for its ability to support liver health. The liver plays a major role in removing harmful substances from the body, and certain sulfur compounds in garlic help support this natural detox process. These sulfur compounds assist the liver in transforming harmful substances into forms that the body can safely remove. Supporting this process may help reduce the burden on the liver and improve overall health over time. Another major advantage of garlic is its effect on inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the leading contributors to long-term health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and cognitive decline. By helping reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, garlic supports the body's natural defenses against cellular damage. This protection may lower the risk of many age-related conditions when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Garlic also plays a helpful role in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. It may support a balance between beneficial and harmful cholesterol, especially when inflammation in the body is reduced. When inflammation decreases, the body often produces healthier forms of cholesterol that are less likely to damage blood vessels. This contributes to improved cardiovascular health and better long-term outcomes. In addition to heart and metabolic health, garlic can influence the digestive system. It contains natural compounds that act as prebiotics, feeding the beneficial bacteria that live in your gut. These beneficial bacteria help break down food, absorb nutrients, and maintain a balanced digestive environment. A healthy gut microbiome plays a major role in immunity, digestion, and even mental clarity. Interestingly, garlic does not affect everyone's digestion in the same way. While many people notice reduced bloating and smoother digestion, others may experience temporary discomfort if their gut is sensitive. If garlic causes increased bloating or discomfort, it may be a sign that your digestive system needs adjustment rather than a problem with garlic itself. Some individuals have sensitivities to certain natural compounds found in foods like garlic. These sensitivities are often related to how gut bacteria process specific sugars and fibers. When certain bacteria become overactive, they may produce gas or irritation, leading to digestive symptoms after consuming foods like garlic. Understanding how your body reacts is important. If symptoms appear, reducing the amount of garlic or introducing it slowly can help your digestive system adapt without causing unnecessary discomfort. Another powerful benefit of garlic is its support for detoxification. Garlic contains compounds that help activate important antioxidant pathways, especially those linked to the body's natural cleansing systems. One of these pathways involves glutathione, often referred to as one of the body's most important antioxidants. Supporting glutathione production helps protect cells from harmful toxins and oxidative damage. Although garlic offers many health advantages, the way it is prepared makes a huge difference. Many people cook garlic immediately after cutting it, not realizing that this can reduce its most powerful health properties. The most important compound in garlic responsible for many of its benefits is called allicin. Interestingly, garlic does not naturally contain large amounts of allicin until it is crushed or broken apart. Garlic contains natural components that react with each other when the cloves are crushed. This reaction creates allicin, the compound responsible for garlic's strong smell and many of its health-supporting effects. Once formed, allicin is very unstable and begins to break down quickly into other helpful compounds. This is why timing and preparation methods are so important when using garlic for health benefits. To get the most benefits from garlic, it's important to understand how allicin forms. When garlic is crushed, natural enzymes are activated, and exposure to air helps create this powerful compound. However, allicin doesn't last very long. It reaches its peak strength after several minutes, then slowly begins to weaken. This means the timing between crushing garlic and consuming it plays a major role in its effectiveness. One of the biggest mistakes people make is cooking garlic immediately after crushing it. High heat can destroy allicin quickly, reducing many of the powerful health benefits that fresh garlic can provide. For best results, garlic should be crushed first and allowed to sit for about 7 to 10 minutes. This short waiting period allows the maximum amount of allicin to form before it begins to break down. After this waiting time, garlic can be added to water to create garlic water. The water helps protect the active compounds for a short time, allowing you to benefit from them more effectively. It's important to avoid using very hot water, as excessive heat can damage the delicate compounds found in garlic. Instead, use cool or mildly warm water to preserve its natural strength. Another useful tip is to consume garlic water within about 30 to 45 minutes after preparation. After that period, the effectiveness may decrease as the active compounds continue to break down. Some people find the taste of garlic water quite strong. If needed, you can strain the garlic pieces from the water after allowing them to sit briefly, while still keeping many of the beneficial compounds. You can also enhance the flavor by adding a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This combination not only improves taste, but may also provide additional supportive nutrients. Combining garlic with other healthy ingredients can make it easier to include in your routine. The key is consistency and proper preparation rather than large amounts taken occasionally. If you decide to drink garlic water daily for about 30 days, you may begin to notice changes in your circulation. Some people report warmer hands and feet, which may be a sign that blood is flowing more efficiently throughout the body. Improved circulation can also support overall heart health. When blood moves smoothly through the vessels, it reduces unnecessary strain on the heart and supports the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to tissues. Another possible change you might notice is improvement in blood pressure levels, especially if your blood pressure was previously elevated. Garlic may help the body regulate pressure naturally by supporting flexible blood vessels. Many people also report noticeable improvements in breathing and sinus comfort. Garlic's natural compounds may help reduce congestion and support clearer airways, especially during seasonal changes. Some individuals experience increased energy and improved mental clarity after consistent use. This may be linked to improved circulation and reduced inflammation, both of which support brain function. If you were to monitor your blood markers during this period, you might also notice improvements in blood sugar levels and triglycerides. These markers are often linked to metabolic health and long-term wellness. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties may also help reduce joint stiffness and minor aches. When inflammation decreases, the body often feels more flexible and comfortable during daily activities. During cold and flu seasons, consistent use of garlic water may strengthen your body's natural defense system. Many people find they experience fewer infections or milder symptoms when their immune system is well supported. However, it's important to listen to your body throughout this process. If you notice digestive discomfort or unusual symptoms, reducing the amount or frequency may help your system adjust more comfortably. Trying garlic water for a set period, such as 30 days, can be a simple way to observe how your body responds. Tracking small changes in energy, digestion, and overall wellness can help you decide if this habit works for you. Reducing inflammation throughout the body may also bring noticeable benefits over time. Many chronic conditions are linked to long-term inflammation, so supporting the body in lowering it may help improve overall comfort and mobility. Another benefit some people notice is improved digestion and reduced bloating. When the gut environment becomes more balanced, the body can absorb nutrients more efficiently and maintain better digestive health. It's also worth remembering that consistency matters more than large amounts. Using small quantities of properly prepared garlic daily can be more effective than taking large amounts occasionally. For those interested in trying garlic water, preparation is key. Start by crushing 1 or 2 fresh garlic cloves, allowing them to sit for about 7 to 10 minutes before adding them to cool or slightly warm water. Allow the crushed garlic to remain in the water briefly so the beneficial compounds can mix into the liquid. After that, you can drink it directly or strain out the garlic pieces if you prefer a smoother taste. If the flavor feels too strong, adding a squeeze of lemon can make it easier to drink while still preserving the benefits. This simple adjustment can help make the habit more enjoyable and easier to maintain. Over the course of 30 days, paying attention to how your body feels can provide useful insights. Some people notice clearer breathing, steadier energy, or improvements in overall comfort and wellness. Remember that natural remedies work best when combined with other healthy habits. Staying hydrated, eating balanced meals, and getting enough rest all play an important role in supporting long-term health. If you decide to try this garlic water routine, start gradually and observe how your body responds. Small, steady changes often lead to more lasting improvements than sudden or extreme routines. And if you found this information helpful, consider continuing to explore simple daily habits that support your body naturally. With the right knowledge and consistency, small changes can make a meaningful difference over time.